Do you or someone at home need to send money to loved ones in the country but can't go out or don't want to wait in line? No need to worry, because now you can actually send money online from your phone to Smart Padala anywhere in the country via the PayMaya app. Here's how, including some important things to remember. Simply download the free PayMaya app and register for an account. To send money, you need an upgraded account. Requesting for an upgrade is free, but can take up to 48 hours. So it's a good idea to already send in the request as soon as you have registered, so you can already send money when you need to. Once your account has been upgraded and you have added sufficient funds, you can now send money. Tap on Send Money, and in the form that appears, key in the 16-digit account number of the Smart Padala outlet where the receiver will pick up the cash. Be sure that you have entered the numbers correctly. Then fill in the remaining details, including the amount and an optional message for the receiver. Then tap on Continue. A summary will appear for you to check if all the details are correct. If you are satisfied, tap on Send. Your money is sent. A transfer fee of 1.5% will also be deducted from your account. Then you will need to send the reference number to the receiver to claim the cash. You will immediately receive a text message from PayMaya with regards to your transfer containing the reference number. So just forward the message to the receiver and send. With the reference number on hand and his cell phone, the receiver can now pick up the cash at the Smart Padala outlet where you sent the money to. There are some important things that you and the receiver need to remember to ensure a hassle-free transfer. Be sure that you have entered the correct 16-digit account number of the Smart Padala outlet where the receiver will claim the cash. Otherwise, the outlet will not receive the money, nor will you be able to get it back. At the branch, the receiver must present both the reference number and a valid ID. Unlike other online transfers, the receiver's name is not specified in the remittance. Only the reference number is needed. This makes it simpler because there are no receiver details that need to match his ID. But it also means that you need to safeguard the reference number because anyone who presents it can pick up the cash. So that's how you can send money online to Smart Padala anywhere in the country using the PayMaya app. If you found this video helpful, please hit the thumbs up icon and remember to subscribe. Thanks for watching!